si Arina, mukhang merong ano to. Kailangan natin to magpasigla ng utak.
Yes, kuya, mga kasama ko po this morning natin, si Roderick Eduarte.
Hi,
Sila po yung
Roderick.
sa Mind-Brain Activation. Kasama
Wow.
nila yung mga chikitings. Pero bago ang lahat, kailangan kilalanin muna natin si Roderick. Panoorin natin to.
Sa isinagawang pag-aaral ng neuropsychologist na si Roger Walcott Sperry, lumabas na nangingibabaw ang paggamit ng kaliwang bahagi ng utak ng isang tao kung saan dominante ang IQ o Intelligent Quotient kumpara sa kanang bahagi ng utak kung saan naman dominante ang Emotional Quotient o EQ. Nasa kanang bahagi ng utak ang mga photographic memory o alaala na iniuugnay sa pagkamalikhain o genius brain ng isang tao. Upang mapakinabangan ang buong utak, kailangan pagganahin ang middle brain na magkokonekta sa ating kanan at kaliwang bahagi ng utak. Ano-ano ba ang paraan upang mapagana ang ating middle brain? Ngayong umaga, ituturo sa atin ni Mr. Roderick Eduarte, instructor sa Bridge of Genius Training Center, kung paano gagana ang ating middle brain. Dito sa Good Morning Kuya.
Yan, ipapakalala sa atin ni Sir Roderick yung mga kasama ng chikitings ngayon. Sino-sino po ba sila?
Yeah, hi. Good morning po. Good morning, Kuya.
Good morning.
I have,
Natutulog pa sila.
You help me say your name? Mikael
Mikael, and you? Ikaw?
Jedrick Lamas.
And?
Henry po.
and Henry.
Ayan, kasi pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung paano mas magiging concentrated tayo tsaka yung power of minds natin para sa mga bata, 'di ba? So paano ba yung ginagawa natin dito sa Mind Brain?
Well, it's a very, very simple thing po. It's something that is a God-given tool to every one of us. We were born with that kind of skill and ability. We can concentrate when we were still a baby. And it's just as simple as when you can relax, you can concentrate.
Ito po bang Mind Brain na ito ay school po ito sa mga bata?
It's a workshop.
Workshop siya. So may mga subjects ba kayo na tinuturo dito?
Wala po tayong tinuturong subjects dito.
Specific-
It's just a fun-filled activities.
Okay. At what age pwedeng mag-start yung mga bata dito?
Well, at the age of 6 po, na kung saan ang time na nagiging dormant na yung other part of the brain, which is the right brain, doon po natin ni-start na i-reactivate o i-restore yung kanilang right brain para muli itong mapagana. So
Pero
at age of 6 to 16.
Sa mga kasing tanda namin, kunwari, pwede pa ba kaming matuto niyan para mas magaling yung memory namin?
Well, we have another,
Para kay Angel.
yeah, we have another method of strengthening your entire memory, your ability to concentrate, and ability to focus, and also to improve your life na para sa adult naman.
Sir, tanong ko lang ano-ano yung mga activities o skills na para na binibigay po natin sa mga bata para ma-exercise yung mga brain sila.
Well, we are natural with an imaging ability. So we look a lot into images. We listen to music. We do brain exercises. Yan. And dance moves and all this. It's just as simple as we do some kind of dance lesson and visualization.
Sir, meron ba?
Yung sinasabi ko sa kanila, Prof, dati, ewan ko kung if you would agree, kasi ako, most of the time, pagka sa CR ako, mag-shower ako or something, pagpasok ko ng pintuan ko, ang ginagawa ko isang brain exercise, pumipikit ako. And minamanipulate ko yung lahat ng mga gamit sa loob ng pinupuntahan ko, nagsashower ako, kinukuha ko yung sabon ng hindi ko tinitignan. Parang, ewan ko kung pwede bang part ng brain exercise yon?
Yeah, it's a part of the activities na ginagawa namin.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Ginagawa niyo pa? Kasi ako, yun ang, ano ko, yun ang pang, medyo pang pasariwa ng brain cell. Gina-practice ko yun talaga. Di ba, nakwento ko sa inyo yun dati.
Yeah, because when you have your eyes closed, you can concentrate and you can heighten your sensories and other senses, which is the natural pathway of all the informations.
So you also do that as part of your training. Okay,
And
okay.
we even blindfold.
Kaya pala sila may... Akala ko papatulog lang eh.
Bakit po tayo may dala na na mga parang blindfold? Meron po ba tayong exercises sa i-demo ngayong umaga?
Yeah, blindfold will help them to access their senses, to help them to concentrate and relax. And when they can concentrate and relax, they can visualize whatever you want to ask them to visualize. Because our brain has got this kind of special function, resonance function, na kung saan ang lahat ng bagay ay nagba-vibrate at napipick up ng kanilang brain when they are very, very concentrated and relaxed. So just like blind, nowadays, sa ibang bansa, nakakakita na po sila. Using...
May question po ako. May dala kasi Rubik's Cube itong si Michael. Ito ba isa rin sa exercise na ginagawa niyo para
Yeah, it's one of the exercise, but whatever you can give them is also an exercise. You can ask them to read Facebook text, to do computer games right now
Yes.
while they are blindfolded. Whatever you can show
Pwede
them.
ba tayong pakitaan ng mga kids ng
Oh, yeah.
exercises na ito?
Aha.
Ayan.
Yeah, everyone.
Starting off with Michael, no? Anong gagawin ni Michael?
Pabasahin. Kaya ba?
You want to
Rubik's
give them
Cube ba?
anything?
Rubik's Cube kaya ba yan, sir?
Bigyan mo ng papel. Pabasa mo sa kanya yung nasa.
Okay, maybe I have some items here.
Ano ba yung common items na ginagamit niyo sa mga exercises niyo?
Okay, we have color cards.
Ay, gusto ko yan. Tapos,
And,
ano yan?
We have numbers.
Okay.
They can compute.
Ano gagawin niyo?
Also, they can tell us the numbers.
Amazing ako.
Sige pa, sampulan natin.
They can even read,
Wow.
Kahit
Yeah.
nakatakit?
and in fact, they can read a book
Nang
even
naka-blindfold,
blindfolded
sir.
in a matter of few minutes.
Sir, try natin yung
Try-
isa dyan sa mga yun. Yung color muna siguro.
Oo, para mas madali.
Oo.
Sige,
I
sino
think
muna
you
yung
can
gagawa?
choose your color and pass to them.
Tapos ikaw,
Lahat
go.
sila naka-blindfold.
Ikaw na mamili ng color na gusto mo.
Blindfold, Check natin.
Yan, pass it to them. Kay Althea, kay Michael.
Naka-blindfold na ba lahat?
Doble pa yung blindfold
And,
nila para siguradong wala silang
Yeah, and
makikita.
if in doubt, you can also
stricto
use
naman ni Rina.
some cotton pads and double and triple the blindfold.
Teacher Rin.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, ayan, ibigay na natin yung mga cards sa kanila, isa-isa.
Ayan.
Okay.
Violet.
Wow!
Green. Blue.
Sana lang.
Bilis.
Red. Wow! Ay, naman
You can ask them kung paano nila nakukuha yon at nalalaman.
Ikaw nga, sir.
Gusto natin yung numbers.
You give
Green at saka blue.
Jedrick a color.
Blue.
And we ask Jedrick paano niya nalalaman. Pass to him anything, any color.
Any color daw. The one on top. Yan. Pahawak ulit natin.
Okay,
Ba? Naka...
Jedrick, paano mo nasabing pink siya?
Smell like a rose.
Smell like a rose.
rose.
Yeah. So,
Nilagay niyo na
Parang di naman.
Nilagay mo na
there's no smell. You cannot appreciate wala siyang amoy. And then maybe you give him a yellow.
amoy rosas daw eh.
Yeah. You give him a yellow.
Eh, di
Tsaka
mo
hindi
nalaman
naman
na
niya,
Okay,
hindi naman niya inamoy.
What's the smell of this one?
Feel a sun. Okay, he used different senses. Tactile, kung saan nararamdaman na yung yellow is sunlight. And maybe one of them can hear the color.
So
They can smell the color.
pwede magbisikleta yan na naka-blindfold.
That's right.
Dahil nararamdaman na nila kung saan may blocks or what. Diba?
They can sense the whole environment. Hindi lang po sa
Yung
color.
numbers naman.
Prof, at their age, mga ilang sessions bago nila ma-perfect yung pag-identify ng ganyang
Well, it's just take 2 days. for them.
So pwede din sa martial arts siya, ano? Diba? Yan yung ano ng martial arts eh.
Sir, may request kami.
Numbers naman.
Yung Rubik's
math.
Cube daw.
Oh, sige,
Baka
Rubik's
pwedeng
Cube.
i-demo.
Kaya ba?
Yeah, you can ano po, you can
Shuffle.
Sino
Shuffle.
mag-Rubik's Cube sa
give it to him.
Okay.
And then we ask him anong kulay, parang isang side na lang para tayo mas
Okay,
mas
okay.
Mas
Anong
mabilis.
color gusto niyo?
White na lang.
Okay,
Sige,
white.
we have white.
Dapat ba?
Si Michael yan,
timingan mo pa.
It's alright.
Sige, habang
Kaya
inaayos niya, we can...
We can ask another kid to do some other thing.
Ayun, si Althea, what about yung numbering?
Yeah, Althea.
Yung bang nasa screen na yon, pwedeng magbasahin nila?
they can
Sige,
Pwede-
sino
pwede
pwede
sino
mo
pwede
basa?
magbasa sa
You
akin?
can read,
Okay.
can you read for me? Yeah. That one?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Tika baka
It's alright.
Okay na?
He knows the way. Yeah.
Oh, hindi. Lagay niyo yung ano,
yung
yung
kanina.
disclaimer. Yan, yan.
Disclaimer. The statements coming from the hosts of this program are exclusively her personal opinion and therefore do not necessarily really bind or reflect the views and opinions of the management of UNTV.
Akalain mo, si Angela nga, hindi niya mabasa yan ng walang blindfold.
Hindi ko yung kaya.
Paano niya ginawa?
Well, you can ask him again.
Paano ka
Before I can answer you.
Dun sa opinion and therefore, yung sa therefore niya, parang inaano pa niya 3, pero hindi, therefore. So meron pa siyang nag-a-analyze pa siya, hindi dire-diretso. Ang galing!
Pero paano mo nababasa kung hindi mo nakikita?
Nahawakan ko po.
Yung letters, yung screen.
Ano wala
Ano nararamdaman mo? Parang
Hindi naman
nararamdaman mo
braille
yung
yan.
letters.
Hindi ko po alam the letters. Automatic po pumunta po sa brain.
Sa mga edad namin, Prof, di ba sabi mo sa kanila, at their age, 2 days pwede na, they can be masters.
Parang
no?
gusto mo.
But
Mag-aaral ka
our
muna
age, mga
magbasa
edad-
ng nakadilang.
Nagbabasa naman ako
Oh, sige, tuloy mo.
Well, it takes 3 days for the adult.
3 days? Sige, challenge accepted! Ako yan! Challenge accepted!
Oh, let's have a challenge, ha?
Challenge accepted!
Kukontratahin natin si Prof, ha? Oh, kayong tatlo, kailangan, kayong apat, ha? Kailangan by Friday, madedemo nyo na sa amin. Kasi Tuesday pa lang ngayon. Ha?
Balita! Anong balita?
Ha? Okay?
Okay.
Friday agad.
Ay, ano ka ba naman?
Challenge accepted!
Tuesday pa lang ngayon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pero ilang hours dapat in a day?
Baka naman
Ang
8 hours.
pagtitraining mo.
Whole day pala.
Okay, yeah, actually it's a whole day, but then we can do it 3 hours every night. So we will take 6 nights.
Punta ka dito
It's just to cater your
the schedule kasi, but any time of the day.
and after.
Prof, interesado po ako dyan. Paki-try lang, ha? Pag umubra sa 4 na to, at hindi kayo nasira sa 4 na to, bilib na ako, ha? Kasi para hindi na kami mag-teleprompter.
Kuya, natapos niya na, oh.
Ay, patingin!
Oh.
Ang galing! Si Althea ba kaya na magbasa ng
Yeah. Althea, you want to do
Diba, kaya din
the
niya.
reading on the screen?
Oh, yan.
Sige.
Tagalog. Kaya na mong basang Tagalog, eh. Tingnan natin.
Okay, sumisilip ka ba?
Maigi ang kaunti na may pagkakatakot sa Panginoon kaysa
You also want to read?
malaking kayamanan na
I'll show you
May-
something. Yeah, you have a book?
kaba
Do you have any book?
Gabagan.
Tingnan mo, hindi nababasa yan ni ano, ha? Hindi nababasa ng diretso yan ni Angela. Nakadilat pa. Oh.
Si Rina yung kanina, hindi naman ako eh.
Okay, your brain has amazing computing power. Your brain has got this kind of fantastic ability.
Kaya nga eh. Na-stress ako.
Ito naman, nagbabasa naman siya ng libro ngayon.
Yeah, they can read the book even upside down.
Upside down?
Sa suggestion ni Kuya, turuan to.
Ah, bakit?
Paano ko kapaimpitaka ako? Sabihin ko, wala akong pera. Sabihin niya, hindi, may pera ka.
Yari ka.
Kapain yung t-shirt ko, alam ko saan ka galing.
Yari ka, di ba?
Si Kuya eh.
Bakit may lipstick yung kwelyo mo, ha? Patay ka
That
ngayon.
kind of natural ability naman. Women are very good in their intuition.
Di ba?
And on their gut feelings.
Okay, ha? Nararamdaman talaga nila kung saan ka nanggaling.
They know that there's something happening. They just cannot caught us. Because
Hindi
men
ka lang pala
tend to become
nahuli.
more instinctive.
Hindi lang pala umaamin, eh.
Sir Roderick, bakit yung sa
Naku,
shirt niyo?
alam mo, mahirap yan. Huwag mo turuan yung asawa ko ng ganyan. Kasi pag tinuruan mo asawa ko ng ganyan, lalo makakabasa ng text yung kahit hindi tinitignan.
Well, kuya,
Wala naman tinatago si Kuya.
Galing, ha?
yeah, kuya, this is for educational purpose only.
Hindi, pero alam mo, magandang gamitin yan for spying, eh, di ba? Hindi, maraming application. Kasi pag na-enhance mo, maraming application. And even yung kahit na pang daily, eh, di ba? Yung daily activities.
Kita mo na kuya,
It sharpens.
galing palang ginagawa mo na pumipigit ka sa banyo. Yun pala yung technique
So
nila
maybe you have a book.
Visualization.
I can show you some of their special skills, which is at level 3. One of them can read a book in a couple of minutes with the full comprehension and retention.
So pwede din yung ganyan, halimbawa, ganito lang, ganito ang distance. Ayan, ano nila, masisense nila.
Maybe we can show them stick or a color from that distance and ask one of them.
Kung anong color.
Color, yeah.
Okay. From a distance.
What color
Ito
is
without
that?
holding.
Can you pick up that one or maybe Henry?
Henry.
What is Angela holding?
What color? That. There. Ano, hindi pa lang nakikita.
Pwede ko
Ano hindi
pwede.
nakikita?
Let him sense. Let him sense. Angela's
Straight
side.
ahead, straight ahead. There you go.
Can you sense the color? Maybe you can
Don't
help me
move it.
to yan.
I can hold it.
No, that's far.
Here. Straight ahead. There. There you go.
Can you sense the color? Or too far?
Too far.
Too far.
Too far. Maybe kita dito.
Talia, try mo.
Yeah, from here, maybe
Si Michael.
From here.
you pick up another thing. From that distance.
Blue.
Blue.
Ang galing.
Yeah. How far can you reach? From Kuya, can you reach Kuya's side? That side?
Bilis mo naman! Technicolor yan.
What colors?
Ayaw talaga
Hindi, tingnan natin.
What rainbow?
From here.
Violet.
Hey, you come here.
Can you read his mind?
You cannot read people's mind.
That's one thing that only God can do, to read the heart of a person and the mind of a person. So don't be too ambitious. Don't push your luck.
Love is the key.
Okay, nakikita niya na yung mga blocks na ganito, no? Madali lang ma-sense nila.
In fact, there is no more blindness. This is used as alternative vision. Blind can.
Pwede din, nag-ano din po kayo, hindi kayo kumbaga nagka-crossover sa mga sa mga blind people to teach them also as well with this.
What do you mean po ba kayo?
Halimbawa yung mga blind, hindi nyo sila tinuturuan ng...
Well, we help blind as our corporate social responsibility, but one by one po. even autistic, we can also correct, and mild Down syndrome, depressed people,
ADD, ADHD.
anxious people, yan.
Okay, that's nice. So, pwede kayong kontakin where
Yes,
they can...
you can contact us. Actually,
Is this a school ba? You have a school for
it's
this?
just a simple workshop, so we can...
so, pwede mag-set up ng group of children or let's say you can do that individually as well.
we prepare na po, a group na po.
Group na. Okay.
Kuya, sila
Saan ba kayo
sila
matatagpuan?
Mio, sila
Oo,
Aaron.
sige.
Yeah, we are
Our
located
kids.
in Cubao, at the 77 11th Avenue. Yeah,
Okay.
I also go nationwide as far as...
So, pwede yung nakatalikod, nababasa nila.
Yeah.
Oh, maganda yan. Yung mga, parang nakikita mo yung script nung ano.
Pinoy
Diba?
Well,
Anong tatanong kaya nito? Oh. Alright, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much and we'll get in touch with you. And siguro, we can also work together to help other people ano, para ika nga ho.
that is our mission.
This is one of those things that we can actually do para dun sa
Major
ganitong klase ng para makatulong din sa iba. Salamat po.
Thank you.